Today we will solve NCERT 9.2 exercise class 11 chapter is a straight line. One by one question will explain here. The first question is saying write the equation of x-axis and y-axis. You know that, dear student, that this is x-axis and this is the y-axis. It is 0, 0. On the x-axis always y coordinate 0. So y equals to 0 is the equation of this line. On the y coordinate x, on the y axis any point if you take, then it will be 0 comma k type, means always x coordinate 0, x equal to 0 is the equation of y axis. After that we'll go for the second problem. Second is saying passing through, we need to find the equation of line passing through minus 4 comma 2 with the slope 1 by 2. Dear student, you know that equation of line in slope point slope interform, point slope form. So that is equation of line passing through point x1 y1 with the slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Dear student, point is given in the second problem, point is given minus 4 comma 3. It is like x1 comma y1 and the slope m is given 1 by 2. We'll put the value. So equation of line, y minus y1 3 is equal to m is 1 by 2 x minus 4. So we are having y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2x, minus become plus, 4 by 2 means 2. So multiply by 2 both sides, so 2y, this is y minus 3 here, multiply by 2 in both sides, 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4, take all things in that side, so x minus 2y minus 6 plus 4 plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the answer. We'll move for the third problem. Third problem is saying find equation of line passing through 0, 0 with the slope m. Dear student, you know that slope point form again. So y minus, third problem, y minus y1 0 equals to m x minus 0. So we are getting equation y is equal to mx. So just a very small short question actually. After that, 4 number problem saying find the equation of line passing through 2 comma root 3 and making angle with the x-axis 75 degree. Third number problem. So passing through point given 2 comma 2 root 2, 2 comma 2 root 2, 2 root 3 given, 2 root 3 given, and angle with the positive direction of x-axis are just angle, and with the x-axis it is making 75 degree angle is a 75 degree. So dear student, I am assuming that, let's say this one case I am taking, that this angle is 75 degree. Okay, this angle in this way it is making 75 degree angle with the x-axis. Okay, so 75 degree angle is here, so slope will be what? Slope m equals to tan theta, means tan 75 degree. If you know, then it is cot 15 degree, and cot 15 degree value is 2 plus root 3. How we are getting? Otherwise tan 75 direct you can find. Tan 75 means tan 45 degree plus 30 degree. So it is tan a means tan 45 degree 1, tan b tan 30 degree 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan a. Tan b means tan a means tan 45 degree 1 into 1 by root 3. So it become root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, multiply by root 3 plus 1. So we'll have 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divide by 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 4 plus 2 root 3, so we'll get 2 plus root 3. So this implies, so slope of line m is equal to tan 75 degree. Just we find out its value is cot 15 degree, that is nothing but 2 plus root 3, either this way if you are remembering, then okay, otherwise from here you can see. So equation will be what? Equation is y minus y1 2 root 3 equals to m2 plus root 3 into x minus x1 means x minus 2. Now just simplify this one. Y minus 2 root 3 equals to 2 plus root 3 times x minus 2 to the 4 minus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 cancel. All thing will transfer in the right hand side. So right hand side will be what? Means it will be, we will be having 2 plus root 3 times x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Dear student, will go for the next question. Next question means problem number this was 4. This was 4. Now problem number 5. Intersecting x-axis at distance 3 unit to the left of the origin with the slope minus 2. So intersecting x-axis at the left of the origin at 3 unit distance. So meaning what, dear student? If you see the fifth number problem, so question is saying this is x-axis, it is origin. So 3 unit 1 2 3 left side, 3 unit left side means passing through this point, okay, and its slope is what? Its slope is a negative minus 2, means the line will be passing through the point minus 3 comma 0. Slope is minus 2 means obtuse angle it might be making with the positive direction of x-axis. So slope is given, point known now, slope is equal to minus 2. Okay, so how to write? Because line intersect x-axis, line intersects x-axis at 3 unit distance left to origin. So line will pass through, line right is passing through minus 3 comma 0. So point known, slope known, we can write equation of line. So equation y minus y1 0 equals to m minus 2 x minus x1 minus 3. So we are having y is equal to minus 2x, and minus will become plus, again minus, total here minus 6. Take all things this side, so we are having y plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required line. Dear student, will move for the next. So okay, dear student, the next problem is question saying in the line intersecting the y-axis at a distance 2 units above the origin and making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So if you see, then direct we can use y intersect 2 unit above to origin. So let's say it is 1, it is 2, 0 comma 2, passing through 0 comma 2 and making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So 30 degree angle like this one it will might be making with the positive direction of x-axis. So line is this one. You know that equation of line in a slope intercept form, y equals to mx plus c. So we'll use this one because y equals to mx plus c. C is what? This y intercept 2, m is tan 30 degree. So we'll use it, tan 30 degree into x plus 2. So we are getting equation y equals to 1 by root 3x plus 2 multiply by root 3 in all side, just root 3 will be y root 3y equals to x plus 2 root 3. Take y in that side, so x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0 will have. So this is the answer. So okay, dear student, we solved here 6 problem up to now. The next problem we'll check. Next problem we can see question number 7 saying find equation of line passing through -1 comma 1 and 2 comma -4. -1 comma 1 and 2 comma -4. Next question -1 comma 1 and 2 comma -4. So what you will be applying, it is question number 7. You will say, sir, equation of line passing through 2 points is what? Because y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 is equation of line passing through 2 points. This is working like x1 y1, this is working like x2 y2. Put the values here. So y minus y1 is -4 is equal to y1 is y minus y1 is 1 equals to y2 means -4 minus y1 means 1, x2 means 2 minus x1 minus become +1 into x minus become +1. So just cross multiplication, this is 3y minus 3 is equal to -5 into x minus 5. Take all things in this side, transfer this side. So 3y plus 5x. So shall I write first x, 5x plus 3y minus 3 plus 5 become +2 is equal to 0. So this is the answer of the question number 7. Now next problem we'll see. Next question saying that PQRS, the vertices PQR. So dear student, next problem number 8. Question number 8, the vertices of triangle PQR, P is 2 comma 1, Q minus 2 comma 3, R 4 comma 5. Find the equation of median through R, vertex R. So question is good only up to now, better question. So ABC is a triangle. A, let's say RPQR. P is given 2 comma 1, this rough picture we are drawing. Q is 4 comma 5 and R is given P, I've taken wrong, hope so. So let me draw it again. P is given 2 comma 1, Q is given -2 comma 3 and R is given 4 comma 5. These are the vertices. We need to find equation of median through R. So equation median will be what? Median will join the through the R. Median will join the midpoint of this PQ. So this is let's say midpoint here. RD is the median. We need to find equation of RD. Dear student, it is median, so if this angle is alpha, then this is also alpha. To find equation of AD, I need a slope of this line and already 1.4 comma 5 known, or I need point D. So point D is very easy to get. How? 2 plus x1 plus x2 by 2, 2 plus -2 by 2 comma 1 plus 3 by 2. So we are getting the point 0 comma 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 means 2. So it become now equation of line passing through 2 point R and D. So equation y minus y1, let's say this is let's say x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So equation of line will be what? Y minus y1, that is 2, is equal to y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2, divide by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0 into x minus x1 means x minus 0. So we are having equation 4y minus 8 is equal to 5 minus 2, 3x. So this is the equation of line, or you take all things in that side. So 0 equals to 3x minus 4y plus 8, or what? Or 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Okay. So dear student, in this way we solved the problem up to 8 number. Now 9 number problem also will check. 9 number problem, we'll see the 9 number problem. 9 number question is saying, find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line joining 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So you will say one line is there, that is 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6, and another line is there which is passing through point minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to this line. I need to find equation of this line. Dear student, you know that if two lines are perpendicular, then their slope product will be minus 1. So let's say its slope is m1, its slope is m2. Dear student, m2 you can find slope of the line joining 2, 5 and minus 3 comma 6 will be y2 minus y1, 6 minus 5 divided by x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 2. So we are getting 1 by minus 5. So dear student, because m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, because the lines are perpendicular, so m1 is equal to minus 1 by m2. So put here value minus 1 divided by minus 1 by 5, minus cancel, 5 goes upside, so we got m1 is 5. So equation we can write, equation will be, so equation y minus y1 is 5 equals to m slope. Dear student, known slope is 5, we got 5, x minus x1 means minus become again plus 3. So we are getting y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15. Send all in that side, so we'll get 5x minus y plus 20 equals to 0. Hope so you are understanding up to this one. We'll see the next. So dear student, the next question is, a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3 divides in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of the line. Let's do one by one whatever it is saying. So 10 number problem solution. A line segment joining the point 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3. Let's say this is 1 comma 0 and this end is 2 comma 3. A line is there which is dividing in 1:n. So let's say this is the line which is dividing at this point. This is, let's say, A, this is, let's say, B, and this is, let's say, C. C divides in 1:n. In 1:n. We need to find equation of this line. One more thing, dear student, it is saying that line perpendicular to the line segment. So here, by the way, we could not draw it perpendicularly. So let's make it perpendicular. So it is intersecting it perpendicularly. Okay, perpendicularly, let's say, at this point. So if perpendicular, then slope of this line first will find. Then let's say it is m1 slope here and its slope is m2 will find. Slope of the line joining A and B will be 3 y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 1, and the slope of the line then m2 will be minus 1 by 3, because m1 m2 equals to minus 1. After that, we need to find this point C. If C will be known, then passing through a point and slope, we can find equation of the line. Very easy, dear student. Just it is because 1:n coordinates are given. 1:n coordinates are given. Then we can write C point. C point we can write. So in this way, point C will write mx2 plus nx1. C coordinates mx2 1 into 2 plus nx1 means n into 1 become n, divide by 1 plus n, comma my2 1 into 3, they become 3, n into 0 0 divide by 1 plus n. So we are getting the point C that is 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, comma 3 divided by n plus 1. Dear student, this C point lies on the join of A and B, or we can say it is lies on the line AB, correct? So if, and the secondary thing, we need to find the equation of line which is perpendicular to the join of AB. So equation passing through C with the slope m1 equals to minus 1 by 3 is given by y minus y1, 3 it is x1 y1, 3 divided by n plus 1 equals to m minus 1 by 3 x minus x1, 2 plus 3, 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n. So we can leave here only, no problem. This is the answer, or you can multiply everything and write the answer.